If you need to update your phone number on SHEIN, follow these simple steps to ensure your account information is current. This will help you receive important notifications and updates regarding your orders. Step 1. Open the SHEIN app or website. Launch the SHEIN app on your mobile device or go to the SHEIN website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon. This is usually located in the top corner of the app or website. Step 3. Select account information. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled account information or profile. Click on it to view your personal details. Step 4. Edit your phone number. Find the section for your phone number. Click on the edit option next to your current phone number and enter the new phone number you wish to use. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your new phone number is updated in your account. By following these steps, you can easily change your phone number on SHEIN. Keeping your contact information up to date ensures you stay informed about your orders and promotions.